In today's video, I'm going to show you a scalping strategy for the 1-minute or 5-minute Forex chart. The strategy simply uses 3 Bollinger Bands. In my case, I'm going to use the strategy on the 1-minute British Pound Japanese Yen chart. The first thing we will have to do is select 3 Bollinger Bands. The first band, we will put it with a deviation of 2 and we will put the color red. The second band, we will put it with a deviation of 3 and we will put the color blue. Finally, the third band, we will put it with a deviation of 4 and we will put green color. To carry out a buy operation, we will wait for the price to touch the lower blue band and turn back touching the lower red band. At that time, we will carry out the buy operation. We will place our stop loss below the lower green band and our take profit when the price touches the upper red band. To carry out a sell operation, we will wait for the price to touch the upper blue band and turn back touching the upper red band. At that time, we will perform the sell operation. We will place our stop loss above the upper green band and our take profit when the price touches the lower red band. This is a really simple strategy that any beginner could apply without any problem and practically without any prior knowledge. Let us now see some examples. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.